differences, killing all religion and making everything one, killing all whatever you find as scary and dangerous and different just because you don't subscribe to a certain values, or do you want to create a society wherein we can all live and breathe? I leave you with that question. Dear Breaker. Inqilab, 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 zindabad, 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 zindabad. Inqilab, 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 zindabad, 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 zindabad.
Today is such a happy day for the country, such a happy day for the democracy. First time the youth stepped out and they gave a result. Even the government got scared and Dharmendra Pradhan had to resign. It's a victory. It's a victory not only for the students and the youth. It's a victory to the country. Paper leaks, education flaws. I hope that will be fixed now. But, again I'll say but, there are a lot of accountability factors still remaining. It's still not clean. And I'm sure the Gen Z of our country, will fix this problem soon. Also, I'm very thankful to the youth who came out in large numbers, who sacrificed their sleep, who sacrificed their studies, who sacrificed their day-to-day life, and came in for the protest. For what? For our nation, for unity. And also, I am happy that all the youth is united and India is going in a correct direction now. I hope all the youth again ask for accountability with whatever is wrong. And I'm very happy of my Gen Zs of my country and the youth of my country. Thank you. Deo Bareko.
She is Amreen who led this protest on behalf of Uzwad.
And also, apart from, personally also, Uzwadak Bayar Dorun Sutta. In Shado, with the raise here, raise of hope. So, this is a great day for all the people, because this is what is bringing hope in us that the system will change one day. The thing is, आम्ही विचारपाक जाय चेंजा खातीर आणि वन बाय वन आयज जी आमकां गुड न्यूज येत आसा तेच्या खातीर आमी खूब हॅपी आसात आणि या दिस इज hope to democracy, hope to student movement, आणि hoping that education system and अजूनही सगळे बदलाव जावना, but gradually हे सगळे जे बदलाव आम्ही मागता, all the changes that we are asking for ते सगळे जातले अशी अपेक्षा आसा. आणि कितें सांगू, आयज म्हाका सांगपाक उतरा. I am very happy today. Of course, this happiness must continue. The country should continue. We should question, we should demand, and the movement should not stop here. In fact, this should be the stepping stone to all the movements ahead. आणि याच्या फुडें आमची मुवमेंट फुडें आसपाक जाय. आनी सगळे गोंयकारां कडेन मागता, उठाय रे गोंयकारांनो म्हणून आतां जी आमी उठल्या, आतां उठोन आमी भायर सरपाक जाय. गोंयांत तशें जायते इश्यूज आसा जे आमी पळोवपाक जाय आनी सॉल्व करपाक जाय वांगडा. सो अपेक्षा आसा की फुडलो मुवमेंट असोच चलतलो आनी तरणाटी, जाणटी, नेणटी सगळीं जाण अशीच भायर येतली आनी दर थोड्या दिसांनी आमी परत अशीच मेळटली टू सेलिब्रेट समथींग ऑर दी अदर. सो जय हिंद, जय भारत.
भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. इंकलाब जिंदाबाद. इंकलाब जिंदाबाद. इंकलाब जिंदाबाद.
Thank you to Goa Police. We love Goa Police.
आमचो मेन डिमांड आमचो गोंयांत आमचे स्टुडंट्साचे जे दिसा प्रोटेस्ट जाल्ले 20 तारखेर तेंचे FIR घायले त्यो विड्रॉ करपाचे. आमचे स्टुडंट्स आमचे युथाक हट जाले ताका लागून आख्खे इंडिया लोक भायर सरले आनी हिंगा FIR घायले. हे आमगे पयली डिमांड आमचो. हे बेश्टे हॅरेसमेंट करनाकाय. वयत उठ बसतना FIR हायकोर्टान सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल रायट आहा आमकां डेमोक्रेटीक कंट्रीजान प्रोटेस्ट करपाक कितें रॉंग आहा थिंगा. सो वी डिमांड द FIRs टू बी विड्रॉन. देव बरें करूं.
अमरीन त्या दिसा न्हू उजवाडान लीड केल्लो प्रोटेस्ट. आयज उजवाड हांगाचे कोण दिसना. खबर आहा?
नाम है ऋषभ राज और मैं हूँ राजस्थान से. पिछले 12 सालों से मैं गोवा में रह रहा हूँ और जहाँ तक मुझे यहाँ का कल्चर पसंद आ रहा है, मैं देख रहा हूँ लोग बहुत प्यारे हैं यहाँ पे. और मेरी एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है कि ये कोई आतंकवादी नहीं है. अगर ये आतंकवादी होते तो होम मिनिस्टर को रेजिग्नेशन देना पड़ता, क्योंकि इतने सारे आए कहाँ से. सिंपल सी बात है. सो बेसिकली ये आपके गोवा के बच्चे हैं, इनको जेल में डाल के कितनी जेलें बनाओगे, कितने डालोगे. कल को 10,000 और उठ के आ जाएंगे, क्योंकि जो गलत है उसके ऊपर सवाल उठाना पड़ेगा. चाहे पार्टी कांग्रेस की हो, चाहे आम आदमी की हो, चाहे बीजेपी की हो, चाहे आपके बाप की हो, सवाल पूछना हमारा हक है. और हमेशा शहीद भगत सिंह के रास्ते पे हम चले हैं. और हमारी जो संस्था है ग्रुप ऑफ भगत सिंह राजस्थान, उसमें पाली जिले का डिस्ट्रिक्ट मीडिया इंचार्ज हूँ मैं. और जहाँ तक मैंने ये प्रोटेस्ट देखा, मुझे लगा कि हाँ, गोवा के बच्चों के साथ गलत हुआ है. और मेरी यही डिमांड है कि इन्हें छोड़ दिया जाए, वरना हमारे इसी धरती पर ऐसे वीरों ने जन्म लिया है, जैसे भगत सिंह हो गए. उन्होंने 23 साल की उम्र में 116 दिन तक भूख हड़ताल करी थी जेल के अंदर. और यही भूख हड़ताल अगर गोवा के बच्चे शुरू कर दिए जेल के अंदर, तो कहाँ तक भागेगी.
बट कितने बच्चों को जेल में डाला गया है? कुछ फिगर्स है?
नहीं, बट हमारी रिक्वेस्ट
आप
है.
कैसे बोल सकते हो बच्चों को जेल में डाला गया है?
मैंने कोई भी स्टेटमेंट में ये नहीं कहा कि उनको जेल में डाला गया है. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि FIR आगे लेके जाके क्या करोगे, एट द एंड उसका क्या सोल्यूशन निकलेगा. इससे अच्छा यही रिक्वेस्ट यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ कि इसको विड्रॉ कर लिया जाए जितना. धन्यवाद.
What he was trying to say is that the government is trying to put still fear in the minds of the youth by putting the FIRs, because they were harassing a lot. They were not giving permissions. They were made to run up and down, below the post. Am I right? Because she was harassed so much, and all sort of questions were put to her.
Not just harassed, still being harassed. तुमचे सगळ्यांचे फुडल्यान आतां सांगता. म्हाका तेन्ना टॉपिक डायवर्ट करपाचें नाशिल्लें, बट आय वॉज अ बीट स्कॅर्ड आनी तेज्या खातीर हांवें सगळ्यांक मातशें हेल्पाकूय विचारलेलें. बट आयज हांव सगळ्यांक सांगता, हॅरेस्ड वॉज नॉट जस्ट बीइंग हॅरेस्ड, स्टील बीइंग हॅरेस्ड. आनी कित्या खातीर? इफ you guys are calling me terrorist, calling me names, all of you are the one, because you all are the one creating terror. We are asking for basic fundamental rights. आणि जो तेकावो जो मेळ्ळा, in spite of all that pressure, in spite of all that threat, that I can still come out and still ask for my rights, that is because of all the lovely people of Goa. माझे कांयच कोण करपाक शकचे ना. You will not find anything against me, because you will not find a deshbhakt like me, and I can vouch for that.
Since the topic has come out, let me tell you, the BJP social media in charge, South Goa, Nevin Gomes, is involved in leaking the family details of our members in public domain. This is the dirty business. This is the dirty business being carried out by BJP IT cell. We are going to tell that we are not afraid of all these dirty tricks. Dirty tricks department, keep on doing your dirty tricks as much as you can. We people will continue fighting on the streets. Our battle is not on mobile phone screens. Our battle is on streets. Our battle will keep on going. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
कितें विचारता?
ऑल यू आर देन म्हणला कोण एक्झॅक्टली नेम घे आनी सांग.
सॉरी,
देन ऑल यू आर म्हणला एक्झॅक्टली कोण नेम, प्रॉपर नेम सांग.
I am not going to name anybody. कोणा कडेन हो मेसेज पावपाचो आसलो तो मेसेज पावला आनी जरी तर आफ्टर ऑल दीज वॉर्निंग्स बिकॉज तुमकां प्रॉब्लम आशिल्ली फ्रॉम आर डिमांड्स दॅट वी आर आस्किंग फॉर आर राइट्स. Now we got what we were asking for. The protest has been called off. You all were against the protest. Now government is listening to us. Now we are not protesting for the same reasons anymore. So जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना तुमी माझे नाव परत पिट्यार करचे. जर परत अशें जालें जाल्यार हांव नॉट जस्ट नाव कितें मेसेज तुम्ही माझ्या बद्दल स्प्रेड करता, कितें फॉल्स इन्फॉर्मेशन घालता. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, some of them are also teachers, educated teachers from schools and colleges who are putting my name and my family details and school teachers. And I have all the screenshots, so you better be careful now.
उजवाडान हो प्रोटेस्ट कॉल आउट केलो, मागीर खुबशे यूथ जॉईन जाल्ले. आयज उजवाडाचो कोणूच दिसना आनी चडसो यूथूय दिसना त्या दिसाचो. तू एकटेच आयज
हांव खंय एकटें आसा दिश्टी
उजवाडाचो कोण आहा? आनी
उजवाडाची कोण ना. उजवाड एज एन NGO was all about social and environmental causes. Our weapon to mobilize for awareness was street play. So then, because I as an individual cannot take responsibility for the entire NGO, members and Sangle, this is not something for which we give permission to. Collectively, they did not want to go ahead with this, also because they were also being threatened. So NGO has backs off. आणि त्याच्या खातीर सगळे मेंबर्स फाटी सरली, बट मुवमेंट फाटी सरपाक जायना. त्याच्या खातीर हांव एकटाय न्ही जाल्यार ही सगळी जाण म्हजी भाव भयणां जी आसा तेंच्यांनी एनकरेज केला. सो तूं फुडें चल आनी तुमी सांगता आसा स्पेशली आवाजा शी हॅज बीन देअर विथ मी फ्रॉम डे वन. जेन्ना हे थॉट म्हाजे तकलेन येयल्ले, शी वॉज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट पर्सन्स विथ हूम आय हॅड डिस्कस्ड. आणि जे सगळे पोस्टर्स तुम्ही पहिले अबाउट द प्रोटेस्ट दॅट वर आउट, ऑल द प्रोटेस्ट वर डिझाईन अँड मेड बाय हस्त्या. सो
I just like to keep it very simple. For the last 12 years in the country, we did not have even like a response from our government. And yes, the last 2 days we've gotten 2 reels in the midnight. I don't know what is happening, but it looks like they're scared. And then we got resignation, and then we got all our demands met. I think the immense power of the people will always be greater than the people in the power, and that is something we all have to remember. And once the youth come together, once the students come together, change is already happening. This is just the beginning. There are so many more things to come. From here in Karapur and 39A to like everywhere else, from the Kenpetwari project to the data center in Vizag to everywhere else, everything is just beginning.
the Adivasi.
There are so many people who do not have the privilege that we have to come out here and to have all of you media looking at us. There is nobody looking at so many people. This protest is a performance. Us coming here is a performance because there are people watching, but there are so many people who are not even being looked at. And we need to extend our support to them, and we need to make them be seen. And that is the work that lies ahead, and the work will continue by people like me and Amreen and everywhere else, because we are not afraid, and there's nothing to be afraid of.
अभी तो केवल झांकी है, क्रांति आगे बाकी है. अभी तो केवल झांकी है, क्रांति आगे बाकी है. अभी तो केवल झांकी है, क्रांति आगे बाकी है. अभी तो केवल झांकी है, क्रांति आगे बाकी है. अभी तो केवल झांकी है, क्रांति आगे बाकी है.
Are we going to see all at Karapur protest?
Exactly.
They need you.
Yes. See, the Karapur people are the most oppressed people right now. They have not got justice even about after 115, 120 days of their protest. Our next move is to support them and see that they get justice.
And also the media.
Scrapping of 39, all youth will be with the goers to scrap the 39A. humble request, Goa is on ventilator. We are dying. If the rain was delayed a little 5-10 days, then we should have been in shortage of water everywhere. And these people are getting private swimming pools, and where from water they will get?
आज या आंदोलनाच्या निमित्तान जितले लोक हांगा एकठांय झाले आहात ते सगळे लोक एकवटायनी कारापूरच्या लोकांक समर्थन दितले, आपले तांकां तेंको दितले आणि त्यांची डिमांड वेळ काडटले.
आमची भुरगीं, आमचे तरणाटे, आमचे बापूय, आमचे आवय, आमचे गोंयकार, आमचे गोंय, आमचे गोंय, जिखतले रे जिखतले, जिखतले रे जिखतले, जिखतले रे जिखतले, हम करेगा
असली सरकार आमकां नाका,
हम करेगा
Amreen, are you still a member of Udwad NGO?
Yes, I am very much part of Uswad NGO also because I am an artist and theatre art, street play is also one of my expressions to express myself. So very much I am part of Uswad. I am secretary of Uswad, but I जाऊ हांगा Uswadaचे वांगडा येवंक ना. I am come here as Amreen Sheikh, as an individual, as a daughter of Goa. I am here. तुमच्या पुढे.
To announce the future course of action, whatever the plan is.
So right now, as of CJP and all the youth and the students, the agitation for NEET has been called off. The demands have been met. Now our next course of action will be when the Gen Zs and the youth and the students highlight something, and all the youth, I'm sure, will be united and will fight for a cause for better nation and for better democracy. Thank you.
आणि तुमका अपडेट बेगीनच मेळटली about what is going to happen next, about our next course of action, about how we are going to take a stand for our brothers and sisters in Karapur. कित्याक तर जेन्ना हांवें फर्स्ट आमचो व्हिडिओ घातलो न्हू तेन्नाय लोकांनी विचारलेले विल यू टेक अ स्टँड फॉर द पीपल ऑफ कारापूर. तेन्ना सांगलेले पयली आमचे फंडामेंटल रायट्स जे आसात, बेसिक रायट्स, लेट अ फंडामेंटल रायट्स बी डिलिवर्ड टू अस. मागीर जे आमचे लोकल भाव भयण आसा तेंच्या खातीर जे झगडपाक जाय तेच्या खातीर आमी सगळीं जाण जी हजारांनी नंबर्सान रस्त्याचेर येयल्ली आमी परत येवपाक शकता. फॉर द पीपल ऑफ कारापूर, फॉर गोवा, फॉर आवर एन्व्हायरमेंट.
मातशें तांकां आपयता सगळें.
Guys, everybody come here for a family photo.
मातशें
All the youth, please come.
ट्रायपॉड बी सगळे फाटी घे, ट्रायपॉड बी सगळे फाटी घे, मागीर जाय की घे. यो मरे या रेड कर यो फाटी हो, रेड कर फाटी हो, रेड कर फाटी हो मरे. होतो कोण हाते कापय ते कापय मातशें लागीं हो कोण ट्रायपॉड पीपल ऑन द राइट प्लीज कम. हो ट्रायपॉड मातशें फाटी घे मरे ट्रायपॉड. तू तो मरे फाटी घे कोण आलो
आवाज दो, आवाज दो, आवाज दो. भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, वंदे वंदे.
आम्ही गोंयचे प्रश्न मांडटात, फकत राजकीय न्हय, सामाजिक सांस्कृतिक. तुमचे जिणेकडेन जोडपी आमचो टीव्ही, तुमचो टीव्ही. आम्ही तुमचे प्रश्न मांडटात, तुमचे प्रश्न आमच्यो जापो, आमचो संघर्ष तुमचे खातीर. आम्ही लढटात गोंया खातीर, आमचे सोपुल्ले गोंय सांबाळून दवरपा खातीर. तुमचो टीव्ही, गोमंतक टीव्ही.